Dale gets in here, then we'll go ahead and get dry running. So everyone, go ahead and get your job started, and then we'll get started here momentarily. Use timings, and then whenever the block ends, go in there and be like, all right, guys, come on out.
All right,
yeah,
awesome. I see your
because they don't. Sometimes they don't know when to come in and out. 5:05, 5:06. Are they all set? Yeah, we'll get them right now. Perfect.
I stole a seat.
Yeah, I'm gonna
We'll
need you
sit in
to.
Gracie spot today.
Playoffs. Yeah, that's a good one right there. But I have to say, the Kings.
You also.
Never gonna pay it. That's definitely the only.
What did I do again? It was
Yeah,
132.77.
So if I ever get to the point where I don't.
Game day, but
and maybe we'll work together like once in a season or twice in a season.
It's like when it's basketball season now. You down
back on, brother.
You down the hill with Jordy.
Time out real quick.
For y'all, what teams are you rooting for? The Mats are out. I'm a Spurs fan. The Spurs are out. Texas teams are gone right now. Who are y'all going for?
I kind of like
Good now though. We got about a minute-ish, right, Gracie?
Minute and a half.
We got about a minute and a half, so y'all get ready, reset. In more. Stop. Back him up. Stop.
You got 20.
Inch. Stop. Good.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And bumps playing, so be on standby. I'm Jeremiah Russo, and I am the executive producer and technical director for Thursday's Sports Zone. Just being able to just have everybody who obviously loves sports, we all just get to talk about it. I mean, producing, I love to build the show and kind of just have things that we need to talk about, and then, you know, to have a couple guys that want to come in and talk and just, you know, they just go crazy. You know, we have fun, whether that's, you know, playing like you see on TV, like ESPN, where Skip Bayless and, you know, Stephen A. Smith are yelling at each other or whatnot, or it's, you know, just us trying to have some fun, talk about sports, and for me to kind of just see that build, you know, it's a lot of fun. I'm a producer, so kind of what I do here now, I just want to, you know, further my development, obviously. Here's a good stepping stone, but I want to use this to be able to, you know, further myself, polish my skills, so then eventually, you know, whether that's a big network, like Volley Sports, or, you know, another one over there, or if it's just for like the team, like with the Rangers or the Stars.
But it's specifically sports?
Yeah.
No, yeah, okay.
I mean, I'm okay either way. I just, personally, if you couldn't tell with the Rangers
Right.
jersey, I'm a sports guy, so. From day one, I didn't even know what this was, and just kind of being a part of it, and just, you know, learning behind the scenes what really goes into a show, instead of just, you know, just showing up one day, you know, just kind of doing your thing, doing it out. I like to learn all around it, right? So just to be able to watch and just shadow some of the people who have been here before, and, you know, have more experience than I do, it's helped me grow a lot. I mean, I wouldn't have looked at myself, you know, like 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I didn't even know what NTTV was. And now look at me over here directing all the big buttons on there, whatever you see on YouTube or Facebook Live or whatever it is, that's me pushing it and, you know, setting up the show. So it's very important. Definitely try it. I mean, when I first started, I did not want to be on air at all. I didn't know. I was even too scared to even show up to the kickoff meeting. And then I finally, for whatever reason, just built up enough courage, and I said, you know what, I'm going to try it. If I don't like it, you know, it's not the end of the world. Ended up falling in love with it. Hence why I'm here now, but just go for it, because you never know. Whether that's you're looking for an on-air position, whether you want to, you know, do highlight editing, whether you want to make the graphics that you show, maybe your passion is photography. We all have those positions here, and, you know, even if we don't have a specified position for you, we go ahead and make it for you just so you have that experience, because, you know, we're all trying to learn together eventually, and we're all trying to, you know, help each other out as well. So definitely come out if you're thinking about it, because the worst thing you're going to do is say, okay,